Evivo is a once-daily serving of activated B. infantis, EVC001, a strain of beneficial gut bacteria that works to help restore the gut microbiome of the infants in your care. Evivo is easy to prepare and feed. First, remove a vial of Evivo from the refrigerator or freezer. The MCT oil and beneficial bacteria may appear to be separated. That's normal. Hold the vial in a closed hand for approximately 30 seconds, or until warmed. Holding the vial horizontally, roll it between the palms of your hands for 30 seconds to allow the beneficial bacteria to mix thoroughly. Visually inspect the vial to ensure proper mixing. If separation remains, roll the vial in the palm of your hand until mixed thoroughly. To remove the cap, visually locate the embossed arrow on the top of the cap. With your thumb in line with the arrow, lift the cap straight up and back, taking care not to twist. Place thumb on the top to stabilize. Separate one side of the foil and peel out and around to remove the foil completely. Pull rubber stopper out. Attach an ENFit straw to the syringe. While holding the vial in one hand, insert the syringe with straw into the vial to draw up the mixture. It may be necessary to tilt the vial to draw up the complete serving. Expel excess air and product from the syringe to ensure 0.5 milliliter volume. Dispose of the straw and connect ENFit syringe into the port of the infant's enteral feeding tube. Dispense the mixture into the port. Flush the mixture immediately per hospital policy. After feeding Evivo to the infant in your care, you can dispose of the syringe and vial per hospital policy. Evivo, activated B. infantis EVC001, the standard of care for hospitalized infants.